Okay.
So here I am trying to post data. So here in this I am going to upload a file. Just file uploading only I do. I don't post any other data. Whenever we upload any file, action is taken by here upload.jsp file. Then method equal to it is post. Method you can take as post or you can take as get. But here I am using post method. With the help of this, I am going to send a file to server. Then this is very important. Encoding type equal to multiport oblique form data. It's very important whenever you try to upload a file. Then here we define a table. Table takes some kind of background color. Then tr we have in this. In the center we are positioning. Upload the file. Then here we take input name equal to file, type equal to file. At the end we have a submit button. Input type equal to submit, value equal to send file. Like this it's created. If you look at the user interface, somewhere in the bottom you have send file. When we click on the send file, file will be submitted to server. Into what file exactly we are submitting? It is going to be upload.jsp. In the server side, this file is responsible for accepting this input file. Whatever file we send from here will be taken by upload.jsp. That's going to handle the file there. So the file is available here with the, okay, we come into this. In the src folder, it's created. Upload.jsp. The file is available here. So let us see in this file what code is written. This is a JSP file. Here see, this is what scriptlet we have written. We have directives also. In the case of directives, we use page language equal to Java. Content type is what? Text oblique HTML. Character set is ISO 88591. Import is here java.io.star. Because this package we require here. Java IO package is required, so we added that. Page encoding also we use. It is nothing but Latin encoding we use. Then here within the scriptlet, this part is nothing but here scriptlet, we are writing string save file equal to empty string we are setting it. Okay, then string content type equal to what? Request dot get content type. Whatever type of content is coming, that we can get with the help of the request object. See, there are implicit objects with JSP, request object, then response object is available for us. So with the help of request, we are going to get here the content type. Whatever content is coming from there, we can be getting it. Then here we have written if content type not equal to null and content type dot index of multiport oblique form data greater than or equal to 0. So if it is containing this particular value multiport oblique form data, in such cases we try to use this way int form data length equal to request dot get content length. Byte we declare here byte array. So data byte equal to new byte form data length. So along with the form how much data is coming, that we are going to make as length here. Int byte read equal to 0. Then int total bytes read equal to 0. Like this we have taken. Then here while total bytes less than form data length, one by one we read and we try to put into the, not one by one. So here we read the data and try to put into here read bytes into the which one, this is data bytes. In the data bytes array we are trying to put it. So one by one byte we are reading, then trying to put into here data bytes array. Into the array we are giving it with the help of the int dot read. It's nothing but input. Here input is going to be request only. So like this one by one we read and we try to put into data bytes array. Okay, after that we declare this string file equal to new string data bytes. With the help of the here array we create the string here. So this is what string file equal to new string data bytes we take here. We have taken there data bytes. Then after that save file equal to file dot substring file dot index of file name here equal to slash double quotes we take then plus 10. We are finding out here where the slash is coming in the file. So we go up to that. Then from there we are going to be taking it and we are going to put like this here. So here it is index of file name equal to slash double quotes plus file name. Okay. Save file equal to what I have written here. File dot substring, file dot index of file name. So wherever it is coming here, I am going to look into that. File is nothing but here a control where the file control is available for us. If you go to this particular index.html, here we have a file control. We can see name equal to file, type equal to file. The file is going to be containing here file name for us. That we are going to check in the upload.jsp. Here we find it. We are trying to find out here the file name. So file name is containing total how many characters? This is going to contain total 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. So total we take here 10. We are going to take in that way. Index of so total for this 9 plus 1 10. So we add 10 characters. From the 10th position itself, we are going to be retrieving the file name there. File name is containing here total 8, then equal to is how much? It's going to be here 9 and this double quote is going to be 10. After 10th character, we need to add. Therefore, we are adding here 10 in this. Like this, we are going to be adding 10. Similarly, we find out here from 0 position index slash n. So, as long as okay. So here we are trying to find out slash n also. Where slash n is occurring, we are trying to find out even from that. First of all, using substring we have taken. Let us try to print this. You understand? When I print here, you can understand that. Here less than, then percent equal to, put the save file here. Save file, put like this, then percent. So here we take like this. After this, no, this is not working properly. What I should do, I should close this first of all. Okay, this should be. Then again, I should start here after this. Like this, I should use. This expected here. This is not file. It's JSP only, Java server base file. Try to output. Try to get here. Sometimes it's going to be tough task only. Output statement is required for us. Expression tags. Okay. Now everything is correct. Control S. Once again, we take this. Again, try to print here. Save file equal to. Again, we close percent greater than. Then again in this, print it. We need to close once again here. This is coming okay. The percent we need to put here. Okay. Let us try to run this index.html every time we understand it. Therefore, any error? Are we getting any errors in this? Okay, so we close the tags here properly. Then we print here save file. Here also once again we print save file. Okay. So here also we print save file. 3 times we are printing it. What values we get? Let us see. Run server. And it's not HTML is not available. Oh, available for us. This file is available very much. Okay, so file is coming up here. We need to browse. After that, we have to send it. Some file we need to upload here. I take this some random 24 bytes are in this. Click on open, then send file. It is showing here random dat file for us. We have successfully uploaded file, the name of C users LRD desktop random.file is uploaded, it's saying. Whenever we look at that, it's printing like this here. C colon users LRD random.dat is printing here. Content file equal to, it is here. Application slash octet stream is printing like this here. So this has uploaded the file successfully. Whether it is available on the desktop or not, let us see here. I put on the desktop this one. Here random is coming up. The file is coming up here random. When we open this random, what data is available, let us check. Open. So it is containing this kind of data. Some data is written here. So random is getting here uploaded. Once again we can check. But in the file, when we go with the upload.jsp, where exactly we modified this upload.jsp. Okay, this file, the web content we modified, not here. SRC upload we haven't modified here. So therefore, take in this giving little nuisance. Again, you let us take this and try to copy and put in this. Where exactly it is. Okay, this is after new string data bytes. New string data bytes. In this area, we need to put it. Come to end, then paste in this area. Okay. Once again, this is we are printing like this. Save file. We print here. Followed by we can put a br here. Br put like this. Slash we put it goes to go into next line. Once again. Okay. Run as browse some file. Once again I take this is going to be here random. Open send file. This one will upload JSP when we take. It's not printing that. That means it's not getting refreshed very quickly. It's not refreshing. Okay. Let me print in the beginning itself. Table HR BR we have taken. Office BR. H1 new file uploading. Okay. Yes. New file uploading. IBT application.log file we are getting here. Okay, the file name is like this we get here. It's printing first of all file name like this, then followed by its printing only this concerned file name here. It's printing IBT application log. This information we are getting in this log file name we get. Therefore, with the help of this upload.jsp, here you find the file name. Just file name we can get in this upload.jsp. This, this file. Uploading new file. We print multiple times this one. Okay. Before this, just put again h1 file content, file name 1, like this put. Then after this, what I'll do, try to put here again file name 2. This is h1 file name 2. This is what data it's retrieving, we can find with that. After that, it is going to be file name 3. 3 times we are retrieving values, we can find with that. This is h1, then file name 3. Put like this. At the end of every one, we need to put their BR tag. Even here, we put a BR tag after this. On the top also, we put here BR tag. Like this, we try to print here what exactly is getting retrieved each time. You can see. So in this, it should be giving the file name. So it should be giving the file name till end. Then here we need to truncate we need to remove enter key from the end of the name there. So we get that file name. Similarly, in the third case, what happens in the first case? It's going to remove the entire path, only file name comes up for us. Similarly, in the second case, it's going to remove n, it's going to print it. Like this, here we print total file name 1, file name 2, and file name 3 also we take. So here, save file equal to save file dot last index of / /+1, save file dot index of double quotes we put here. So till last double quote, whatever is coming in that, from there we are going to print. Fine. Now render this. We take some file name randomly again. Open. Send file. So it is saying like this. File name 1 equal to, it's totally showing for us. Users already random.dat file. This is coming. In the file name 2, it's showing like this for us. Users already random.dat only, it is showing for us. In the third case, it is showing just random.dat. So ultimately, with that name, we need to save. For that purpose, we are doing those things. In the case of file name 1, it is showing total thing here. C users already random.dat, then followed by content type equal to all this is coming. Till end of the file, we try to choose. In the second case, we are getting only the file name here. Just trying to retrieve only the file name. C users already random.dat we get. Similarly, in the case of file name 3, we get random.dat. Then we are trying to upload that file. If you look at code, it is handled in that way. Okay. So here in the first case, we take here save file equal to file dot substring we take here. So string file equal to new string data bytes is given here. Then even you can be printing the file name here. We can print file name here in this file dot substring we have taken. So we try to print here the file name. We take here percent, then equal to, try to print the file also here. The name of the file try to print here. Again we percent, then after that try to put the br tag we try to insert here. So here what is in the file name you can find h1, then uploaded file name. Take like this, then slash h1 we put this way. At the end of this we put even br. Okay. So here before we print this we need to first close. Okay. Then after this again we need to start percent. We need to start percent there. So in this manner we can be printing what we have in the file. Again let us take only random. What it prints, see this send file. It is showing like this. The file when you send along with the file tag you get a lot of information related to this. You may be containing file data within that. Then here one of the things is here file name equal to C users alladi random.dat. Therefore from this file name we are trying to pick data. From the file name we are trying to pick data in this. So it is looking for this file name up to this double quotes. From here we are trying to pick. File name equal to how much here? This is total file name is 8, this is 9 and this is 10. So from here 10 characters advanced, from there we are trying to retrieve. Therefore from here till end we are retrieving. So that's why in the file name one we get that content. From here till file name whatever it is we are getting in that way. It is C user alladi random.dat, content type equal to application oblique upstream. So whatever binary data is available that we get. Then after that here file name 2 equal to users alladi random.dat. So what is written in the second file name? See here file is printing totally like that. So from the available file we are retrieving the file name. So from file name plus 10 characters till end of the file content we take there. So substring we are giving starting position till end we go there and we print. We try to retrieve that. So therefore save file is going to contain the file name followed by rest of the content whatever we have in that. After that once again we take here save file equal to save file dot substring 0 save file dot index of slash n. At the end of this you find actually slash n, till slash n we go. Come to this here. So here after this dat it's going to put a slash n in fact. So it's going to insert before content type it's having a slash n, up to slash n we retrieve. Therefore it gives us C users alladi random.dat. You print like this. This part is coming. We go up to slash n. Here things are getting separate with the slash n. So we take the slash n, up to slash n we take, then we try to put into file name 2 here. So it's coming into file name 2 like that. So once we retrieve up to file name 2, here what is happening? We have a double quote at the ending. We need to remove the double quote. When we remove double quote, then in such case you get the random.dat. Now come to upload.jsp, then remove the double quote from this. Here next step is what? Save file equal to save file dot substring save file dot last index of slash slash plus 1. Okay, slash slash plus 1 we take. So what is the position for that? Therefore it is going to be this part. Last slash is coming here. So last position plus 1 is going to be starting with the R. Random dot till what you have to go? Up to T only you have to go. You should not be taking double quotes. Therefore from random to dot dat we take, and that is shown in the file name 3. It's coming into file name 3. Now once we get the file name like that, here what we do? Next thing here, int last index equal to content type dot last index of equal. We take there. Content type dot last index of equal. So we come to this again. If you come to this here, content type, you have in this. We have here content type, application octet string. We have like this here. Okay, so where are we checking for that? We are checking in this string boundary equal to content type. Last index is giving you here content type for us. Content type dot last index equal to, we kept it. Similarly, string boundary equal to content type dot substring of last index plus 1 content type dot length. So where we have the content type, let us see in this. Here form data length request dot content length we get here. So content type we are getting here. String content type equal to request dot content type. Let us print here what is in the content type for us. Close this. Then here once again h1. This is h1 we put here. Content type put in this manner. Then go with the br here. Try to print. This is percent equal. Then this is here content type. Try to put here content type. Then close this one. After that again we put here br tag. Then here we start once again percent. Like this we are trying to print the content type in this. Whatever you have the content type, that we can get now here in this. Once again come to this, close this, again we try to make it running. Go to index.html. Then here it is run on server. Choose file name. Again I use random here. Just with random I try to make it working. So it is saying like this: multipart slash form hyphen data boundary equal to you have here. So up to this part, this will be getting truncated here. Boundary equal to up to that part that is taken. So from there it's going to retrieve the data here. So come to the upload JSP here. In the upload JSP, we can get that part. We come into this here. Int last index equal to content type dot last index of equal. Where is coming equal? It is coming here. After boundary, you are getting equal symbol. So it is going to find out where last time the equal symbol is occurring. So it's going to find out index there. This is the position. From here, rest of the content you need to take there. Upload.jsp, we take here the position for that. String boundary equal to content type dot substring last index plus 1 content type dot length. It's taking like this. So it's going to take like this: substring last index plus 1 till content type dot length. It's going to be taking for us till end of the string. It is going to be taking for us here. So come to this point and try to print what is getting printed in the boundary for us. So close this percent. Then inside this again we put first of all h1. This is going to be boundary. We put boundary. Then this is br tag. Put like this. In the boundary, try to print percent equal. This is here boundary for us. Then we close this one here. Again we put br tag. Then again this is here percent. Like this we try to print even the boundary. What is the boundary? We try to find out. Content type dot length we have taken. So from the last index plus 1 content type dot length we are going to be getting totally here. Okay, we close this. This is not required now. Come to index.html. Run configurations. Run on server. Upload file. Again random we take. Send file. It says content type is this. This is what boundary. Boundary data you are going to get like this. This is all boundary data we get in this manner. So if you come to this upload.jsp, it can give you the boundary data. So from the last index plus 1 till how much content you have here. If you come to the content here, that content type you are getting, so its length you can be getting there. Whatever content you have, it's going to be in fact length. So we take length with the help of the length. Okay. Okay, so content length you have in that. Content length can give us in fact in this how many characters are available in the content we get with that. We take the content length. Where is that file? No, this file. Hmm. Okay. So we take the content length, till then we are going to read the boundary. After that, int position, position equal to file dot index of file name equal to slash, we take like this. Then similarly, we take position like this. Then here, boundary location equal to file dot index of boundary comma pos, one by one we need to pass it. Starting position, ending position we get, then after that we save into the file. Save file equal to desktop plus save file. File name we get. We are going to be saving with that. File ff equal to new file, save file, that is file output stream we take. Then here we are writing output stream bytes, data bytes, start position, then end position minus start position. So like this we are trying to put the file into disk. If you go through this, you understand why I have taken this. Position equal to file dot index of file name equal to slash. So it's going to be finding out first of all file name equal to slash, up to that we get. Then here wherever new line is there, that we remove. Again similarly, if any new line is there, that also we find out. Third time also we remove like this. 3 times new lines may be coming in that. Because of that we take it. Then followed by location, we take like this, file dot index of boundary comma pos minus 4. So we try to find out here, because extension you have there dot something like that. So we take minus 4, with that we try to find out. Then ultimately we'll be saving. Just if you focus a little bit, you understand what is the logic behind it. It's only string manipulation simply. We are just performing the string manipulation with the help of index of one by one we can be getting it. Otherwise you can find out here for each and everything what it is. So here let me put that position why it is, why I am taking that also you understand. So first of all, let me close this. Then again h1 I put here position in the file. Position the file. Position the file with file name equal to slash. With this we are comparing it. File name equal to slash, with that we are comparing it. Only one single thing we take. So for that we are trying to see. Then after that it is going to be br tag. Then here it is percent equal to pos we put. Then again percent we put like this. Not exclamation, percent. Then this is br tag, followed by here it is percent, again we keep like this. In the same way, again this is here percent close, again we take this. But this is with new line. With new line we take. After that again, once again we need to take here at the end of this. with new line 1 percentage where we get again in this H1 where it is new line 2. Okay. Showing this way position in the file with file name slash double quotes is 87, the new line 1 126, so new line 2 did not be printed. Okay, POS equal to be created, this is fine, but after this I think we did not print it. Percent equal in POS, like this we get it. Position we get boundary comma position. Submitting data. It's getting positions like this 88 position, 127 position, 116 position, because we have total 3 times I think new line characters are appearing in this. Whenever we look at this here, the file is going to contain this type of data here. Total, this is the data available here, and here they are getting separated with the new lines. After this you have a new line, then again somewhere new line is coming up. Wherever new line is coming up, we need to go to that position. From the next position we are retrieving data in this. So ultimately what we require is here, we require the bytes from the here, if you look at the file, from here we need to retrieve data and we have to put, from here we have to retrieve data, we have to put into file. So we go to this position. For that purpose we use here so many times indexing it. We are finding out last index of number of times, and with the help of that we try to do this particular thing here. So this BR, after this BR I haven't kept again percent. It's not required here. Okay. When we look at this random, this can be deleted here. So once again try to upload a file. This time we can take any other file. Go to my documents. From my documents we try to take some other file here. So let us take this as here JS file. Some JavaScript file, let us try to save. Open this, send file. So it should be now saving data for us. The file should be available on the disk for us here. JS file is created. Open with, if I open with Notepad, no content available in this. There is no content available. Okay. 0 bytes it's showing here. We go to this one. Don't we have any? Okay. Nice. Run on server. Choose this. From here, choose the JS file. How many bytes are available? 0 bytes. There are no data in that. If you look at table, 14.7 KB. What type of data this is containing here? The type of file is here RDL file. Okay, not this. This is going to be some image file. Fine, send file. It is containing all this data. This data now is submitted to server here. To the server, this data is submitted, and this must be getting saved for us. File name 1. Then similarly, we have here file name 2. Like this, you get ultimately file name 3. Then like this, the boundary we get like this. So from the 203rd position, we take the content of the file and we try to save in the file here. Come to this point, then try to see here whether properly this is uploaded or not. Here we have July. This is the file I think we uploaded just now. File whatever we upload is July file I think. If you run this, it's going to show like this. It's printing like this actually. This is 24/7/2014. It's showing like this. Once again, delete this and try to, once again, try to upload the file. Whether I get correct or not, I can see. Whether it's July file or not, I can find out. So once again, come to this here. Then come to this point from here. Just try to run on server. Browse water bill payment for July. It is 7/24/2014 only. So we take this, send file. Showing like this the contents of the file. Ultimately, from the 203 position, from the given file, whenever you look at file, lot of data is available like this. If you come to this, along with the file, all this data is sent for us. Whenever we look at the file, lot of information is actually available for us. First of all, it gives like this here. Multi-part form data boundary equal to like this you get. So from here onwards we should take data. From boundary we've taken data. Like this till end it is retrieving data. Okay, whenever we save data, from this part we have to save. From here we have to save data. So that is getting saved in the file ultimately for us. So for that purpose we have here so many times. If you look at this, different indexes we are finding out here. This is 89 once, then here new line character. From the 203rd position onwards, what we do, we retrieve data and we try to put into the file here. So from the 203rd position of the content till end, we retrieve data, we try to put into here the file. So like this uploaded file is getting saved here. So upload file is getting saved like this in this manner here with the help of the JSP page here. Using JSP page, we are trying to submit data to server in this way here. Ultimately, it's getting saved for us. Once again, we can see water bill for July we have to get whether it's available or not. It's available here. So same we are getting this way here. Therefore, here with the help of this application, we could upload the file. These are Just for debugging purpose we are using, otherwise we need to remove these are not required. So many times we are printing them, they are not required. Let us remove the comments. So wherever we have output, the output can be deleted totally. H1 wherever you have content. XML comments we can put like this, HTML comments we can put like this. Then JavaScript comments also we can put. Okay, next thing is here. File name 1 we have. Otherwise this can be deleted, there is a problem with that. That's why let us put only comments. That's better. Okay. Now it's coming to file name 2. In this also, let us go to this point. This is okay. This we can consider, but otherwise becomes huge with the content. It becomes in fact huge. So browse file. You can go into some other file this time. That may be a matrix. Open, then send file. So it is. This should be getting printed now from 171 position. It should be printing. So go to matrix and see what content we have in that. RDL file should be coming up for us. Here we require RDL file. It's getting created. File size is here 12.4 KB. So in total it is coming here into this part. Therefore here this is basically file uploading. We can send a file from the HTML file using the file tag here. So come to index.html here. We specify input name equal to file, type equal to file. With the help of submit, we submit into server. So upload.jsp is the file name here. We specify here encoding type is multi-part form data, action equal to upload.jsp, method equal to post. We can send unlimited data with the help of the post method. It's coming into upload file here. So once it comes into upload file, along with the file content you can get. So we retrieve here the content first of all. Content type, content type we get here. So content type we retrieve. Then after that we can be taking content from the given form file. So we get content length, how much content it is. With the help of that we create a byte array. One byte we retrieve from the content and we put into first of all byte array. Then at the end of that we are trying to write into file here. When we come into end, here it is going to be. So here file output stream file out equal to new file output stream we take ff, that is. Then similarly file output dot write data bytes start position comma end pos minus start position. So end position is going to be last byte, starting position is going to be something like 183 we are getting there. Example I am saying. So end position minus 183, with the help of that we get how many bytes exactly have to be written. From data bytes, that many bytes are being written to file here. After that we flush, then we close. So like this here we are working with the file uploading. So we have taken a file from the HTML page, sent into server. In the server, it's getting actually saved. We need to work a little bit on this, line by line. You have to go through, just try to understand that. What are these boundary locations? What is starting position? What is ending position? So you just have to try a little bit like this. When you debug here one by one, in that case you understand easily. So here put something like output statements. With the help of the try to find out why so many statements are written here. So many statements, why they are written here. So at the end, ultimately we are writing the content to the file. When you submit file, along with the file content, you put the other headers like file equal to multi-part oblique form text or text form text, like that. We have here attributes. We need to strip off those attributes. Then we have to take out the content. The content has to be returned to file. And here we are using file IO, file output stream. With the help of that, we are writing into concerned file there. So this is basically uploading a file. This is writing, good way of writing. You can write better class. With the help of class, it can be handled in fact. But this is going to be core. Internally, like this only, things are handled. See, if you look at some other packages, probably high-level class are available to handle this. But normally, this is the code in the sense everything you are going to write from scratch. When you write from scratch, this way we write here. Using Java code, we have written here. So, the code, everything we only have written. We have taken the file name, the file element we have taken. So, from that we are getting the content, and what is the type of content also we find out. Then how much content it is, we retrieve it and put into byte array. Then at the end we are writing into file. So, this is an example for file uploading. You can send different type of data from form to the server. It can be normal text or it can be a file. A file is called as actually multi-part form data. It's called multi-part form data. That's why we have an encoding type here. ENC type we have. ENC type equal to multi-part / form data. Without this attribute, we cannot submit a file. If we remove this, it cannot work for us. Let me cut it and try to run this. Save this. Then after that, try to submit. So go to this index.html and try to run as here, run on server. I browse a file, try to take once again a matrix file, open, send file. Is it not saved? Let me stop server and once again run the server. Now once again, let me launch this. But there are so many issues with the servers in fact. Coding with servers or enterprise application is always a headache. Nothing much with the code, but the technique you have to know. How they are exactly behaving, what parameters have to be passed, all those. We require in fact live servers. In that case, you can do all those. This is all trial servers. Should not come in fact, but whenever you put here, whenever you don't put it, it should not be normally coming, but it's taking somehow. So since it is local host kind of thing, it's taking, but without this encoding, we cannot do normally. This encoding type is very much required, multi-part oblique form data. Since it is local server, somehow it may be working, but whenever you take the real-time environment, when some server is somewhere away, so in such case, if you try to upload like this, it does not accept. So it gives some kind of error, it throws exception because this directory is very much required. Encoding type equal to multiport slash form data. Somehow it is taking, trying to put for us, but normally, under normal cases, it does not work. Here table matrix, here both the things. Accidentally that got opened. This file after some time I will be sharing Teja with you.